let's poke off the hose. Such a tiny radiator for 340 horsepower. I'll remove all of these ears, install the intercooler to the radiator, check the fitment. If it fits correctly, the ears are going to be welded again. Removed the mounting ears from performance intercooler. This is the radiator of the engine. Now everything is aligned properly. This is how the performance intercooler should be installed, and everything should fit properly. Now let's take this set to the welder. I've made new mounting ears. The old ones are not suitable for welding. I hope these are going to be welded.